Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
So, I shall further explain one song sung by Narottam Das Thakur. Narottam Das Thakur was one of our predecessors, Acharya, teacher. And his songs are accepted in our Vaishnava society as Vedic truth. He has written in simple language, but it contains the Vedic truth. So, he has got many songs. One of the songs is Hari Hari Bifale Janama Goin. He says, my dear Lord, I am simply wasting the valuable time of my life. Bifale Janama Goin. Everyone takes birth as human being, but he does not know how to utilize it. He utilizes it just like animal. The animal eats, we simply make arrangement of eating unnatural. That is our advancement. In the animal kingdom, every particular animal has got a particular type of food. Just like tiger. A tiger eats flesh and blood. But if you give tiger nice oranges or grapes, he will not touch it. Because that is not his food. Similarly, a hog eats stool. If you give the hog nice halwa, it will not touch. You see? So, every particular animal has got a particular type of food. Similarly, we human beings, we have got our particular type of food also. What is that? Fruits, milk, grains. Just like our tea is made, you take a fruit, you can easily cut into pieces by this tool. But if you take a piece of flesh, it will be difficult to cut with this teeth. But a tiger has got particular type of teeth. He can immediately cut into pieces the flesh. So we are advancing in education, but we do not study even about teeth. We simply go to the dentist. This is our advancement of civilization. The tiger never goes to dentist. Although its teeth are so strong that immediately he can cut into pieces, but he doesn't require a dentist because he doesn't eat anything which is unnatural. But we eat anything jam, therefore we require the help of dentist. So, our human being has got a particular type of business. That business is to study or to discuss on the Bhagavad life. That is our nature. Bhagavad-gita. We should try to understand Bhagavan. Bhagavad-gita I have already explained. Bhagavan and the Bhakta or Bhagavad. their relations. That is called Bhagavad. So, it is very easy. How? Now, simply you have to hear about Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.